finest wheat grains collected from farms, ensures soft and fluffy cupcakes. Fresh eggs selected carefully, vital for rich, airy cupcake texture. Milk and butter sourced fresh adds richness and creaminess. Premium cocoa beans collected, essential for chocolate cupcakes. High-quality sugar gathered, provides perfect sweetness balance. Natural vanilla sourced carefully, flavor enhancement for every cupcake.
Eggs handled carefully during transport, preventing cracks and keeping them fresh.
Cocoa beans carried securely, flavor quality ensured. Cocoa beans carried securely, flavor quality ensured. Ingredients reach factory. Process will begin immediately. Efficiency is key. Flour transported safely to factory, maintaining quality and hygiene. Ingredients handled gently, hygiene and structure maintained, ready for mixing. Flour enters mixer, ensuring soft cupcake base, precision for perfect batter. Sugar incorporated smoothly, balanced sweetness guaranteed, batter smooth. Cocoa mixed evenly, chocolate flavor develops, smooth, rich batter ready. Butter added carefully, ensures richness and smooth consistency. Vanilla enhances aroma, ensures flavor balance, batter ready for molds. Batter filled precisely into molds, uniform size maintained. Cupcakes bake evenly, fluffy texture develops, aroma fills the factory. Cupcakes cooled gradually, texture maintained, ready for decoration. Frosting prepared carefully, smooth texture for topping, sweetness balanced. Frosting applied precisely, decorative swirls enhance visual appeal. Sprinkles added carefully, visual and textural enhancement, finished look perfect.
Cupcakes arranged neatly, conveyor moves them toward packaging area.
Each cupcake inspected carefully. Only perfect ones proceed.
Cupcakes handled carefully, layers and frosting remain intact. Trays sealed gently, freshness preserved, hygiene maintained. Trays move smoothly toward packing, process efficiency maintained. Each tray placed carefully, protecting cupcakes from damage.
Trays return automatically for next batch, continuous production maintained.
Drizzle adds flavor and aesthetics, perfectly smooth and rich. Cupcakes stacked neatly, ready for inspection and final touch. Frosting texture smooth and creamy, visually satisfying.
Tray alignment inspected carefully, production quality maintained.
Extra toppings added for variety, enhances taste and appearance. Automatic QC ensures each cupcake meets standards. Perfect batch maintained. Cupcakes reach ideal temperature, ready for final packaging stage. Frosting adjusted where necessary, ensures premium look for each cupcake. Decorative toppings applied carefully, visual appeal maximized. Trays move smoothly, production continues efficiently. Different flavors sorted systematically, ready for organized packaging.
Labels verified for correct flavor, ensures consistency and accuracy.
Tray placement ensures cupcakes remain intact, careful handling maintained. Final human check ensures every cupcake is perfect before packing.
Batch numbers added for traceability. Smooth factory process maintained.
Chocolate frosting perfectly swirled, smooth texture captured beautifully. Vanilla cupcakes checked, ensures consistency with chocolate batch. Frosting perfected using nozzle, each swirl precise and satisfying. Cameras check symmetry, frosting, and topping, maintaining high quality. All cupcakes flow smoothly, process efficiency maximized. Sprinkles fall gracefully, adds color, texture, and satisfaction. Vanilla frosting added smoothly, perfect finish achieved. Cupcakes aligned perfectly, ready for final steps before packing. QC ensures tray placement and frosting are perfect, standards maintained. Chocolate chips added, enhances flavor and aesthetics, premium look maintained. Edges smooth and clean, decoration perfected, factory standards high. Batch completes factory process, cupcakes fully prepared, ready for packaging. Cupcakes carefully placed in trays, ensuring no damage to frosting or toppings. Trays packed neatly into boxes, protecting cupcakes during transport. Boxes labeled with brand and flavor, ready for retail distribution. Boxes sealed tightly, ensures cupcakes remain fresh during shipping. Boxes transported carefully, ready for shipment planning. Packed boxes stored safely, organized and ready for shipment. Packed boxes stored systematically, ready for delivery to stores. Cupcakes shipped to stores. Timely delivery ensures freshness. Customers select their favorite cupcakes. Visual appeal drives purchase. Box opened carefully, cupcakes revealed, aroma and freshness intact. Cupcakes served beautifully, perfect for snacking or gifting. Frosting creamy and soft, toppings intact, visual delight captured. Cupcakes enjoyed with a drink, perfect indulgence, satisfying and delicious.